In Igbo culture, we have many important spirits and gods. They help us understand the world around us. One of the most respected is Udo. Udo is a Father Earth spirit. He is seen as a good and kind ancestor. He represents something everyone wants: peace. In the Igbo language, the word Udo literally means peace. So his name tells you exactly what he stands for. He is the holy power that brings calmness and steadiness to our lives. He is not a god of war or thunder. He is a god of quiet strength and understanding, a true father figure to all. Udo is more than just a name. He is a powerful idea. He is the spirit you call upon when there is trouble. When families argue or communities are fighting, people look to Udo for help. He is the gentle energy that reminds us to talk instead of fight. His presence means that a solution can be found without violence. He teaches us that the best way to solve problems is by being patient and respectful. Udo is the spiritual base for a peaceful society, a reminder that harmony is a holy goal we should all work for in our daily lives and within our communities. Think of Udo as a wise old person in a family. This elder doesn't need to shout to be heard. His words are important because they are full of wisdom and fairness. That is who Udo is to the Igbo people. He is an old spirit, but his lessons are always true. He shows us that real power is not about being the loudest or the strongest. Real power is about having the wisdom to bring people together. He is the living example of positive energy, a force that pushes back against chaos and bad feelings, making sure that balance and order can be brought back. His importance comes from this very simple but powerful job. In a world that can sometimes be loud and full of fighting, Udo is the spirit of quiet solutions. He is the calm in the storm. He represents the belief that peace is not just the absence of war, but the presence of fairness, understanding, and coming together. For the Igbo people, knowing Udo means knowing the deep need for harmony in every part of life, from the smallest family to the largest community gathering. He is a basic part of our culture and spiritual well-being. When we imagine Udo, we see a figure of great respect and peace. He appears as an old man. His hair and beard are completely white, like fresh cotton. This white color is very important. In Igbo tradition, white, known as Nzu, means purity, peace, and spirituality. It shows that he is wise and has lived a long time, gathering knowledge through the ages. His age is not a sign of weakness but of huge experience. He has seen many fights and has learned the best ways to solve them without causing more pain or suffering. Udo is always dressed in bright white royal clothes. His clothes are clean and flowing, which makes him look very royal and important. This white clothing shows his connection to all things good and pure. It sets him apart from gods linked to war or anger, who might be shown in darker or more intense colors. When you see him in his white clothes, you immediately feel calm. His appearance tells you that he is a king, but a king who rules with a gentle hand and a fair mind, not with a harsh grip. He looks friendly and kind. His face is often described as calm and thoughtful. He does not have an angry or aggressive look. Instead, he looks like he is listening carefully. This is a key part of his character. As a god of talking things out, he must be a good listener. He pays attention to every side of a story before making a decision. His peaceful appearance gives people the confidence to come to him with their problems, knowing they will be heard and respected. His whole being gives off a powerful yet gentle energy that encourages honesty and openness. This image of Udo is powerful because it combines strength with gentleness. The white hair and royal clothes show his power and importance. However, his calm expression and old age show his wisdom and kindness. He is not a young, hot-headed god. He is a mature, balanced spirit who understands how delicate human relationships are. His appearance perfectly shows his mission: to be a strong, reliable, and peaceful presence in the world, a true symbol of fairness and harmony for everyone to look up to. Udo's main job is to be a peacemaker. He is the best negotiator in the spirit world. When a family is broken by arguments or when two villages are about to fight, the elders might ask Udo to step in. They ask him to bring his spirit of calm and understanding to the situation. His energy helps to cool down angry feelings. It encourages people to sit down and talk through their issues respectfully. Udo does not pick sides. He works to find a solution that is fair for everyone involved in the fight. He is often compared to a dove or a pigeon, birds that mean peace everywhere. Udo is gentle and avoids fighting. He hates violence and believes that nothing good can come from it. However, this gentleness should never be mistaken for weakness. Udo is incredibly strong, but his strength is in his ability to convince and reason. He can stand firm when things are unfair. He makes sure that the truth comes out and that fairness wins. His strength comes from his strong commitment to what is right and fair for the community. As a fair judge, Udo's role is very important for keeping spiritual and social balance. When he is asked to settle a disagreement, he listens to everyone with great patience. He looks at the facts carefully and makes a decision that is meant to bring back harmony, not to punish. His goal is to heal the hurts caused by conflict and to help people move forward together. He gives justice that fixes things. This means his decisions are made to solve the problem and make the community whole again, rather than just saying who won and who lost. This makes him a vital part of Igbo spirituality. Udo represents the best way to handle disagreements. He teaches that talking things out, listening, and understanding others are the most powerful tools for building a strong community. His work is to fix broken relationships and to make sure that peace is the base upon which everything else is built. Without the balance that Udo provides, small disagreements could easily grow into destructive fights. He is the protector of social harmony, always working to keep the community peaceful and united. The spirit of Udo is not just an old story, it is alive today. In Igbo culture, any person who acts as a peacemaker is seen as a reflection of Udo. When someone in a community is known for their ability to calm disputes and bring people together, they are said to carry the spirit of Udo. This person could be an elder, a family head, or even a young person with great wisdom. They are respected because they show the same qualities as the great Father Earth spirit: patience, fairness, and a deep wish for harmony. This belief shows how important peace is in our culture. It is not just a job for the gods, it is a responsibility for everyone. Udo's lasting impact is the idea that we can all be agents of peace in our own lives. When you choose to listen instead of shout, or when you help friends solve an argument, you are honoring the spirit of Udo. He lives on through the peaceful actions of ordinary people. This makes his message very practical and inspiring. It encourages everyone to help create a more peaceful world, one small act at a time. Therefore, knowing Udo is essential for our well-being. He reminds us that peace is a precious gift that must be protected. In a world that often feels chaotic, his teachings offer a clear path forward. They tell us to value talking, to seek fairness, and to treat one another with respect. By remembering Udo, we remember the importance of building bridges instead of walls. He is a symbol of hope, showing us that even the most difficult conflicts can be solved if we approach them with a calm and open heart. Ultimately, Udo is more than just a god, he is a guiding rule for how to live a good life. His story teaches us that true strength is found in gentleness, and that lasting peace comes from fairness and understanding. He is a vital part of Igbo heritage because he represents the very best of our values. To honor Udo is to promise to live a life of peace, not just for ourselves, but for our families and our entire community. His spirit continues to inspire us to be better, kinder, and more diplomatic people every single day.